Okay, so now we're going to add what they call shoulders on the broom. Going to take some of this and put it on backwards.
We're going to take this, and the wind's taking it. We're going to dip it in real quick and bring it out.
So here we are at the charcoal making demonstration, which we do once a year. It's a lot of work, so we only do it once a year.
Okay.
I have 6 groups of 4, and they're tied to a weight and a counterweight. And as it's being worked around the table, this particular pattern is 1 and 3 over 2 and 4, 3 over 2.
It's a bird that literally has a giant name tag on the back of them. And it's that feature that has made these guys one of the most easily identifiable birds of prey out there. But the problem is, it often confuses a lot of people into making them think that all I have to do to come up with a hawk's name is pick a body part, describe the body part, and put hawk at the end of it.
And then down at the far end you have the supplies for making your
We gotta go down to the raft, and when you get there, someone's gonna help you with your